Inhale, prepare. Exhale to imprint your spine and roll your pelvis up. Do not push the carriage away. Use your core. Samahan ng squeeze ng glutes. Higher back, hips in line with your knees. Inhale. Exhale to slowly roll down. Inhale. Exhale to imprint and roll your pelvis up for 2. Inhale to stay. Exhale to roll down. Last 3, inhale. Exhale to imprint and roll your pelvis up. Inhale to stay. Exhale to lower. Last 2, inhale to prepare. Exhale to imprint and roll your pelvis up. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale. Exhale to roll down. Last 1, inhale. Exhale to imprint and roll your pelvis up. Hold your position. Inhale. Exhale to squeeze your bum using your knees. Activate your inner thighs. Inhale to release. Exhale, go for 2, squeeze. Inhale, release. Go for 3, squeeze. Inhale, release. Go for 4 and release. Go for 5 and release. Go for 6 and release. Last 2, hips up and release. Last 1, squeeze lang. I want your hips in line with your knees. Pag gamit sa hip squeeze, inhale. Exhale, push the carriage halfway. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your ball. Inhale to return. Walang pagbababa ng breath. Exhale, go for 2. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale, return. Go for 3. Inhale, return. Go for 4. Inhale, return. Last one, go for 5. Hold it there. 5, toes up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring back the carriage first. Balik muna ng carriage. Inhale. Exhale to slowly roll down. Release your ball. Relax and recover. Get your ball. Right leg to tabletop. Right leg lang. I want your right foot pointing forward, but your left foot pointing upward towards the ceiling. Place the ball behind your right knee. Right knee. There. Then squeeze. There. Now hands on your side, palms down. Inhale to prepare. Hands on your side. Exhale to push the carriage away with your left leg. Inhale to return. Exhale, go for 2. Push. Inhale, return. Go for 3. Push. Inhale, return. Go for 4. Inhale, return. Push for 5. And return. Push for 6. And return. Go for 7. And return. Last one, 8. Hold it there. Now bring back the carriage halfway. Pulses tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend all the way up. Inhale. Exhale to bring back the carriage. Relax and recover. Get your ball, then transfer it to your other side. Right heel under foot bar, left leg to tabletop. I want your right foot pointing upward, left foot pointing forward. Hands on your side, palms down. Inhale. Exhale to push the carriage away for 1. Inhale, return. Exhale, go for 2. Push. Inhale, return. Go for 3. Push. Inhale, return. Go for 4 and return. Go for 5 and return. Go for 6 and return. Go for 7 and return. Last one, go for 8. Bring back the carriage halfway. Pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend all up. Bring back the carriage. Bend your knees. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 3. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 4. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 5. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 6. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 7. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 8. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 9. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 10. Lower, lift, and return. Go for 10. Lower, lift, and bend. Go for 9. Lower, lift, and bend. Go for 8. Lower, lift, and bend. Go for 7. Lower, lift, and bend. Go for 6. Lower, lift, and bend. Go for 5. Lower, lift, and bend. Go for 4. Lower, lift, and bend. Last 3. Lower, lift, and bend. Last 2. Lower, lift, and bend. Last 1. Lower, lift, and bend. Hug your knees and go side to side. Relax and return. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball in between your legs, near your feet, malapit po sa may ankle. There. Then go to your tabletop position. Hands on your side, palms down. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to extend your legs towards the mirror, squeezing your ball. Inhale back, tabletop. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale, return. Go for 3. And return. Go for 4. And return. Go for 5. Squeeze your ball. And return. Go for 6. And return. Go for 7. And return. Go for 8. Hold it there. Baba ng konti ng 3. There. 5. Scoop your belly in. 4. 3. 2. 1. Bend your knees. Inhale. Exhale to lower down. Get your ball. Hands forward towards the ceiling. Right leg tabletop, followed by your left. You're going to curl up. Place the ball on top of your legs. I want you to curl up higher. Inhale. Exhale to curl up. Lift your chest first, followed by your head. Very good. Inhale. Exhale to curl down. Huwag ilapit yung tuhod. Kayo po yung lalapit sa tuhod. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Curling up higher. Stay first. And lower. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And lower. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay first. And lower. Halfway there, inhale. Go for 5. Stay. And lower. Inhale. Go for 6. Stay. And lower. Last 2, inhale. Go for 7. Stay. And lower. Last one, ready for some changes. Exhale, go for 8. Hold your position, inhale. Exhale, extend your legs towards the mirror. Inhale to bend. 5 lang yan. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale, return. Go for 3. And return. Go for 4. And return. Last one, go for 5. Hold your position, inhale. Exhale to lift your arms up towards the tower. Inhale to bend. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale, return. Yes, Korean. Exhale, go for 3. And return. Arms up, go for 4. And return. Go for 5. And return. Go for 6. And return. Curl up, go for 7. And return. Last one, 8. Hold it there. Curl up, curl up, curl up. 5. Curl up now. 4. 3. 2, 1. Bend your knees, inhale. Exhale to curl down. Happy Monday. side. Obliques tayo. Place the ball in between. Get your ball, hands forward. Right leg to tabletop, followed by your left. You're gonna press or you're gonna curl up, then lower down your ball to your right side. There. And up. Okay? Inhale muna. Exhale, go for 1. Pinit lang sa bola and on your left scapula of the leg. Ang gagaling ko po. Inhale. Exhale, return. Inhale muna. Exhale, go for 2. Same side tayo. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And return. Inhale. Go for 4. Stay first. And return. Last one, listen carefully. Go for 5. Hold your position. Inhale. Extend both legs as you exhale. Inhale, lift towards the ceiling. Exhale to lower. Go for 2. And lower. Go for 3. And lower. Go for 4. And lower. Last one, 5. And lower. Hold it there. 5. Tighten your core. 4. Para po sa abs. 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees. Inhale. Exhale to lower. Ang paglalakad ni Kalama. Si Ma'am Marie at si Ma'am Celine. May broken line na po si Ma'am Celine. Malapit na siya. Other side po tayo. Again, keep your legs together. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Inhale as you lift. Exhale to lower. Okay? Masakit? Hands up. Ano naman na natin pang sarili? Wala na naman itong naramdaman ko. Basic yan kayo. Right leg. Followed by your left. Inhale. Exhale to curl up. Lower down your ball to your left side. Left side, left side. Inhale. Exhale to return. Ang gaganda po ng form ninyo. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay first. And return. Last one. Go for 5. Then hold your position. Inhale. Exhale to extend your legs towards the mirror muna. Inhale to lift towards the ceiling. Exhale to lower. Go for 2. Inhale. Exhale to lower. Go for 3. And lower. Go for 4. And lower. Go for 5. And lower. Hold it there. Oops. Hold it sa lower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tabletop. Inhale. Exhale to curl down. Relax and recover. Ball in between your knees this time. Get your straps. Short straps po tayo. Short straps. Tapos foot backward para hindi po tumatama yung balikat kay shoulder blocks at hindi po mahirapan mag-curl up. Now, I want your hands in line with your chest, please. Point your fingers towards the ceiling. Go to your tabletop position. Resting off the strap and curl up. Inhale, prepare. Exhale to press the strap and curl up. Inhale, muna. Exhale, return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Is it heavy? And return. Inhale. Go for 4. Stay first. And return. Halfway there, inhale. Exhale, go for 5. Stay. And return. Inhale. Go for 6. Stay. And return. Last 2, inhale. Go for 7. Stay. And return. Last 1, inhale. Go for 8. Hold your position. Inhale. Exhale to squeeze your ball using your knees. Inhale to release. Exhale. accelerate up. Last one, combination of 4 movements. Press the strap, curl up, extend your legs, and squeeze your ball. Iwan po natin kay Miss yung bola because we are targeting your inner thighs. Kailangan niyo po siya para mamaya for your leg exercises. Hands up towards the ceiling. I want your hands in line with your chest first. Then go to your tabletop position. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to press the strap, curl up, extend your legs, and squeeze your ball. Inhale. Exhale, return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay first. And return. Halfway there, inhale. Go for 5. Stay. And return. Inhale. Go for 6. Stay first. And return. Last 2, inhale. Go for 7. Stay. And return. Last 1, inhale. Go for 8. Let's do your hundreds. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale. Let's 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale. Let's 2, 3, 4, 30. Inhale. Let's 2, 3, 4, 40. Inhale. Let's 2, 3, 4, 50. Inhale. Let's 2, 3, 4, 60. Inhale. X 2, 3, 4, 7, inhale. X 2, 3, 4, 8, inhale. X 2, 3, 4, 9, last one. X 2, 3, 4, 100. Lift your arms up. Relax and recover. Bring back the strap. Roll to your side. Have a sip of your water. Gagawin pa rin po natin yung wall. Wag na.
Huwag na yung doon.
Huwag na, please. Ma'am Joy, okay ka ba dyan?
Rest lang. Rest lang. Uy.
After drinking, I want your box. I want you to change your spring to one blue only. Then place the box in between the platform and the bed. While we adjust the foot bar, hayaan lang po si foot bar dyan. Careful.
Uy, baka. Marami na pa siya.
One blue lang po.
Dapat mo.
Get your ball, then stand on your bed, facing the... Ito si Kevin. Sinasabit ng damit niya dito. I want careful po ha. Carefully stand on your bed. Dahan-dahan lang po. Stand. Ayun po. Yung distance po ng paa kay shoulder blocks, isang kamay. Atras. Oops. Forward ang konti. Forward. Okay? Facing that mirror. Careful. Forward. Feet as wide as your hips pa din po, ha? Feet as wide as your hips. Now, dahan-dahan po. Naka-one blue spring lang kayo. You have to be careful. Forward na konti. Place your right foot on the box. On top of your box. Hands forward with your ball. Hold with both hands. Forward back. Right foot on top of your box. Now, forward. Yan. Okay? Masakit Okay? Burning po yung feeling niya may right leg, pero mag-warm up muna tayo. Inhale muna. Exhale to lift your left heel up. Inhale to lower. Hands in line with your shoulders, neck long. Exhale, go for 2. Stand tall. Someone is pulling you from above. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 3. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale to lower. Go for 5 and lower. Go for 6 and lower. Last 2, go for 7 and lower. Last one, 8. Try to hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. This time, you're going to keep your left heel up, then push the carriage away. Bending your right knee to your lunge position. Kaya po siya burning. Guide. Lift your left heel up. There. Then push the carriage away. There. And up. Magpupush both. Okay? Stand down muna, stand down muna. Doon po yung reminder ko. Pagbabalik, wala po ba nag-make ng sound? Because, importante yung pag-push, but importante din po yung pagbalik. Okay? Yung contraction po yung pagbalik, importante din po siya. Now, press on your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel para hindi alog ng alog sa right foot. Scoot ng right foot forward, mag-lie and mag-queen, and mag-princess. Hindi siya nakalagpas sa box. Forward ng right foot. Nakalagpas po kayo sa box. There. Again, yung right foot, press on your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel. Pagbabalik, walang mag-mix ng sound. Okay? Hands forward, stand tall, someone is pulling you from above. Inhale muna. Exhale to lift your left heel first. Inhale. Exhale, push the carriage away, bending your right knee to your lunge position. Stay muna. Exhale to slowly return. Very good. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Control your movement. Stay muna. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Angat pa ng left heel. Stay. And return. Scope your belly. Last one. Down for 5. Then hold your position. Inhale. Exhale to lift your arms up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 3. Inhale, lower. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale, lower. Last one, 5. Hold your position there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kamay muna ang bababa. Inhale. Exhale to slowly return. Walang mag-drop ng carriage. Relax and recover. Very good. Burning.
Silab. 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 Sila na naman din Diyos ko.
Pero from here, wala. Mamamahal mo siya malakas yung pagka-press niya. Left foot. Si left. Oo, masyado yung malakas yung pagka-press niya. Both tatay mo siya. Triangular. Okay? Another 5. This time, as you push the carriage away, you lift your arms up with changes after 5 times. Again, another 5, and then may changes po after. Okay? As you push the carriage away, you lift your arms up. Right foot on your bed, please. Hindi sinasakit yung santi mo, ma'am. Okay lang. Nag-heal na. Hands forward, or tinatago mo lang sa akin.
Left pa?
Right pa din po, right pa din
Right
po.
pa din. Sorry.
Okay?
Right
Stand
pa din.
tall muna. Someone is pulling you from above. Hands forward with your wall. Inhale muna. Exhale to lift your left heel first. Inhale. Exhale, push the carriage away and up. Lift your arms up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale to return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay muna. and return. Control, samahan ng 4. Inhale, baba ng kamay. Exhale, go for 3. Stay, and return. Inhale, exhale, go for 4. Stay, and return. Last one, inhale, go for 5. Hold your position. Hold the ball with your right hand. Hold the ball with your right hand. Circle your arms out. Lower down your arms. Transfer the ball to your left hand under your right thigh. Inhale up. Walang magmamadali. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale up. Exhale, go for 3. Inhale up. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale up. Last one, walk. Go for 5. Inhale up, then hold it there. Arms up towards the ceiling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik mo na yung carriage. Lower down your arms. Relax and recover. Okay na? Burning, burning. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shit.
Okay, other side. Papulo tayo. Okay? I want you to kneel first on your bed, facing the mirror. Feet flat against your shoulder blocks. Tuck your toes. Set aside the ball first. Lagi ilagay lang siya on top of your box or nasa gitna lang. There. Okay na kanina. Tuck your toes, tuck your toes. Sige po. Tuck your toes. Feet flat against your shoulder blocks. Then hands forward. Short kneeling muna tayo. Hands forward. Angat mo ng dibdib. Hands forward. There. Now, lift your arms up. Exhale to circle your arms up. Hands on your shoulder blocks. Inhale muna. Stretch tayo ng quads. Exhale to slowly go up. Lift your butt up. Lower back. Lean back and upper back. Tingin sa tower. Extend all the way. Feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly nod your head round your back. Lower down your butt. Circle your arms up. Hands on top of your box. Inhale. Exhale, push the carriage away and bend forward. There. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly go up. And face forward. Okay? Kaya na mag-other side. You slowly stand up. Isang palad po ulit yung distansya ng paa sa shoulder blocks. There. Careful, careful, careful. Place your left foot, then hands forward. Warm up muna ulit tayo. Left foot, right foot, hands forward, stand tall. Someone is pulling you from above. Inhale muna. Straighten arms. Exhale to lift your right heel up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale to lower. Go for 3 and lower. Go for 4 and lower. Go for 5 and lower. Go for 6 and lower. Go for 7 and lower. Last one, 8, hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. Ready. Inhale. Exhale to lift your right heel up. Press on your big toe, pinky toe, and your heel. Inhale. Exhale, push the carriage away and then your left knee. Keep your left knee pointing forward. Tighten your core, left leg na tayo. Stay muna. Exhale, return. Control. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay first. And return. Last one, inhale. Exhale, go for 5. Hold your position, inhale. Exhale to lift your arms up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2, arms up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 3. Inhale to lower. Go for 4. And lower. Last one, 5. Hold it there. Tighten your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down your arms. Inhale. Exhale to bring back the carriage. Relax and recover. Last one for your legs. As you push the carriage away, you lift your arms up as well. Ready. Left foot on top of your box. Hands forward, stand tall. Someone is pulling you from above. Inhale to lift your right heel up. Exhale to push the carriage away and lift your arms up. Inhale muna. Exhale to return the carriage. Lower down your arms. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay. Madulas yung socks mo eh. And return. Last one, inhale. Go for 5. Hold your position. Hold the ball with your left hand this time. Inhale. Exhale, lower down your arms. Transfer the ball to your right hand. Inhale up. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale up.